Service-level agreements are important to keep for customers. Failing to do so can be expensive for companies and result in a decrease in customer satisfaction and confidence. Downtimes can cost companies hundreds of thousands of dollars in a single hour. And that cost is growing as the reliability of a software service becomes as important as the features and functionality within the product. It doesn't matter what your product can do if your customers can't reliably access it. GitLab's mission is to help DevOps teams reduce mean time to repair, MTTR, by streamlining the triage, and resolve workflows via tools that provide access to observability resources, such as metrics, logs, errors, runbooks, and traces, that foster easy collaboration across response teams, and that support continuous improvement via post-incident reviews and system recommendations. The GitLab's built-in incident management solution provides tools for the triage, response, and remediation of incidents. In today's video, we will demonstrate the SLA's countdown timer inside incidents. When you have multiple active incidents, it can be challenging to understand how much time you have remaining to solve the incident. To help teams meet SLAs, you can use the countdown timer that shows the time remaining before the SLA period expires. This way, the teams can prioritize work according to SLAs and keep customers satisfied. You can enable the service-level agreement countdown timer on incidents to track the SLAs you hold with your customers. The timer is automatically started when the incident is created and shows the time remaining before the SLA period expires. The timer is also dynamically updated every 15 minutes, so you do not have to refresh the page to see the time remaining. The SLA countdown timer allows you to configure the length of your specific SLAs and to see a countdown of time directly on incidents, so that you can make sure you keep your customers happy and meet your SLAs. To summarize, to keep customer satisfaction high and to avoid expensive losses, your team needs to avoid situations where SLAs exceed. The SLA countdown timer helps to achieve this goal.